Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a real life clean with me. My kids are gonna be around. They're making messes and all that good stuff while I'm cleaning, so just keep watching if you like cleaning videos. I always start by doing the dishes. And yes, that bottle looks disgusting because my son lost it under the bed, so I finally found it.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin.
She's making her appearance, guys. She's watching me take out the trash, which I thought was so cute. Like she was watching everything I was doing.
Life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Here my son was putting the soda away for me, which I thought was cute, so I put it in here. My living room always has trash boxes in it because my son likes making car garages out of them. Like if you can relate to your son doing that, or daughter. And here my son made me swing around this glow stick.
I was fine when you held my hand. I was fine when you pulled me down. You said the stars would answer. You said our prayers were written down. I was fine when you pulled me in. We were forced to be human, and then the world came after, and I had never questioned it. And they said it was wrong.
I need your help. What should I do with these shelves in my living room? I don't know what to put on them. I did get that little plant at Dollar General the other day, but that's all I have that I'm working with so far. Since this is a real life clean with me, we're just moving his toys playing with right now over to the rug. In here, he wanted to water his cute little plants he made for me for Mother's Day. And since this is also a real life clean with me, you get to see me looking at my worst. Here I was moving my daughter's bassinet out of the room because she's too big for it now, so I just moved her playpen in here. My youngest son's in there with her, they're just hanging out. She was in a weird position because I guess she was watching me, I'm not sure. But they were being so cute in here, guys. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it a lot. Everything's not perfectly clean because my kids were home and awake, so that's what happens when you're a parent.